Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a homemade DIY hair mask. I do it to deep condition my hair because my hair is looking dry and brittle and I just want to refresh it. Yeah, just to get ready for the summer. So here are the ingredients that I will be putting in my protein mask for my hair. So here is the olive oil. I have some avocado oil just because I haven't got the raw fresh thing at hand. I'm using some aloe vera gel again because I haven't got the raw product. Got some coconut oil, got some eggs raw. I got 2 of those, room temperature, and I'm using this Mega Growth deep conditioner. I'll be using that as the treatment, and I've got a plastic that I'll put over my head, and then I'll be going under a hooded hair steamer. I have a home one that I've bought online. If I can get a chance to show you, I will do. So first of all, let's start with adding the eggs in the mixing bowl. So this is 2 eggs, and we're just going to pour it in the mixing bowl. On the side. Then I'm gonna tip just a little bit of olive oil in there. After this works for me a lot. I'm gonna squeeze some aloe vera gel inside there. Be a little bit more generous with the aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel is really good. I also use it on my skin. I'm going to use some avocado oil. Some coconut oil. Be using a spoon to get that out. So about 2 teaspoons I'll be using, and then I'll use some deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is really good, but I do like to add my touch to it. And then I'm just going to mix it. It's better if you had a whisk to get it nice and smooth, or even you can even put it in the blender to make a smooth paste, and then I'll just apply it to my hair and put on this cap over my head, and then I'll go under my hooded hair steamer. So I'll just keep mixing this until it's a smooth consistency. Let me see if I can show you my hooded. Here is my hooded hair steamer. I bought this off Amazon. You have to use distilled water in it. So yeah. I also got a bag of these caps from Amazon for pretty cheap, so yeah, you can get them there. So guys, here is my home. I have a hooded steamer, and I'm going to go underneath for like 20 minutes. Got my little chair here. So guys, I'm currently sitting under, oh, it's getting warm, sitting under my hair steamer, and now it's steaming up, so I'm getting a good steam. Another 15 minutes to go. Woo, it's getting hot in here. Here is the finished look. Looking stunning, my hair. I've styled it and I hope you enjoyed this video. Now take care, like, subscribe and leave your comments down below. Bye guys.